Hi, I hope you're doing well. So, following my last video, today's topic is nasal vowels in French. So, um, most French dialects in France, including mine, use only three vowels. They are slightly shifted compared to the traditional IPA transcription. So we can say we have like two types. First one is the nasal A. So it's quite similar to the sound you can find for nasal in Portuguese. So I do it like uh. So very open, quite central indeed. So very close to the way I would pronounce ah. Compared to very similar. The second type, the nasal O's, because there's like two ones, the open and the closed one. So basically, first one is like mid open, so like on. Second one, more like mid close, on. And contrary to the open O's or O that are used in French as well, you don't have the alternation between the two. They are very stable, don't really depend on the context. So the open one is always open, the closed one is always closed. That being said, if you're a foreign learner, if it's foreign language for you, you don't really have to, like, yes, we use three vowels, but if you just learn a single one for the nasal O, it can cause a bit of confusion maybe sometimes for specific word, but it's not like the end of the world. Most people will still understand. So focus on nasal A, nasal O, and if you can, the open one and the closed one for the nasal O. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time.